Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video, okay? And of course, guys, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using a custom made indicator to do my analysis right from here. This had been an uptrend for a while, but it got to this particular resistance zone, had this pullback and went back there again. So this is giving us equal tops right now, and of course it switched into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. We had our entry point at this spot, and of course stop loss at the resistance zone right there. So our first TP, which has just been achieved, second TP, it is heading towards it again, third TP is also there, then this is going to be the last TP. So we are expecting more selling opportunities, most especially once it breaks out from here. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had actually been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this resistance zone. Tried to go back on downtrend, but right now it is going up to try out or to retest the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will switch to a downtrend fully, and we should expect it to sell for a very long time at that particular point. Okay, but for now, this is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. The next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. So Paynex 1200 had been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so if it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. This is still on downtrend until it is unable to break out from that support zone. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. Paynex 999 had also been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this particular support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. Try to go back on uptrend, and it is buying at the moment. Okay, if it goes back and break out below this support zone, then it means it's still going to sell for a very long time. But if it does not, then it will go fully into an uptrend and may likely achieve most of these highlighted areas. Okay, so personally, I will advise you to come in after getting to this region, and you can maintain this as your stop loss. And of course, this is TP1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we should take advantage of it like that. Okay, I'm going to add one more to it. Yeah, okay, so this is it. So this is going on at the moment until it breaks out below the support zone. That is when it will continue the sell trend. But if it does not, it will switch fully into an uptrend. The next asset, which is going to be the last asset for today, is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on uptrend. We actually started milking it right from here, and it has been buying and buying and buying. It has gotten to the resistance zone again. It has not been able to break out from there, trying to go back on downtrend. But we need to be very sure if this is really going to sell, because if you should notice, right from here, it has been getting to this support trend line and jumping back into an uptrend. So we want to know if it's going to break out below it again. Okay, if it breaks out below it, then definitely it's ready to sell. If it does not, then it is still very much on uptrend. So for now, this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, not until it is unable to break out below, above the resistance zone. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.